Hi guys, welcome back. Alright, so as you can see, we're basically in my kitchen. This is going to be like a new series where we're going to go into my kitchen and we're going to be like cooking some stuff together. So I'm just basically preparing dinner. It is now 7:03 p.m. So we're running a little bit behind schedule. I already put in the vegetables into the steamer. So we did some baby carrots, we did a head of broccoli, and then also the potatoes, the mini potatoes that I bought last time that you saw on the grocery haul. And I'm also preparing like chicken here as well. I just washed the chicken out with vinegar and like water. But I just wanted to show you really quickly the spices that I put on the chicken before I put it in the oven. So salt and pepper is a must. This is the quality brand premium Himalayan pink salt. And this is the salt that I'm using right now. And this is the black pepper, the coarse ground black pepper. This is from the Kirkland Signature brand. All of these ingredients actually come from, I buy them from Costco. So the brand is usually the same. And these are the masalas I've been using like recently. So last time I made the chicken, I actually tried the butter chicken masala mix. Tastes really good. It's not as spicy, so it's a little bit bland. So you can definitely put more of this masala in there. The Sean brand has like different types of masala mixes. This is the tandoori masala mix. So this video is not sponsored, but the Sean brand is, guys, like really good. And the tandoori masala is a little bit more spicy, so I wouldn't put too much if you're not a person who likes spice. And I just bought this one actually recently. This is a chicken tikka masala mix, so I think we're gonna try that maybe for today, for today's chicken. It looks really good. It's not that spicy either. And I'm just going to put all the spices on the chicken on both sides. I'm going to throw it into the oven. I usually put the chicken in the oven for about like 40 minutes. And in between, I'll flip the chicken and then I put a little bit of honey. This is also the Kirkland Signature brand. It's the 100% pure Canadian honey. And in the tray, before I actually put the chicken on it, we're using the extra virgin olive oil, which is actually very healthy. And I'll flip the chicken in between. I'll put the honey and then I'll flip the chicken one more time. So I add honey on both sides of the chicken, which basically adds to the taste of it. So that's what we're gonna do really quickly. So thank you for joining me and stay tuned for the new series in my kitchen, and I will see everyone next time. Bye.